Another way that we can select objects in our scene for further modification is to use the Select by Name tool. So if I come up to the main toolbar, I can come across to this button here, Select by Name, click on there, and then this dialog box pops up, the Select from Scene dialog, and I can choose objects from within this particular list. So if I wanted to choose the select the box object, I could click box 001, click OK, and then that object is now selected in my scene. So again, go back to this list, select by name, choose a different option, teapot, click OK, and now the teapot is selected, and I can access the parameters from the modify panel if I so choose. So this is another way to easily select and access parameters for a particular object from the select by name list.